I'm Dano Rivas. I'm with Widener LLC. We're the manufacturer of unique Widener attachments and offset vibratory roller attachments. We're partnered with Reynolds-Warren in Georgia, and very happy to show you our offset vibratory roller. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind piece of equipment. The concept behind it is to keep your wheels on the ground while compacting off to the side. Safety is the feature. The drum comes in a 2-foot, 3-foot, or 4-foot section. There is an option for a spray bar on the back side here to be mounted for asphalt. We are one-of-a-kind, unique articulated arm that allows us to get outside the track or wheelbase of the host machine. All we require is standard flow hydraulics. We do require a case drain hose as well. The machine is operated from this wireless remote control. Basically raises the boom of the remote, sends the drum on either side of the skid steer, and it also spins the drum or pivots the drum in any direction also. The drum does vibrate, and it does have a float mode also. In addition to the vibrations, 3,000 vibrations per minute, we're also able to put the front end weight of the skid steer onto the arm. In operation, we're basically lifting the front end of the skid steer and almost kind of steering through the drum. The drum does pivot here also, which allows us to get the outside slope of a shoulder. That's basically it.